Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your phone and expectations. You cannot install Apple's iOS, but you can replicate its system behavior. Back up your data, charge to at least 50%, and free 4+ gigabytes. Once done, enable developer options and temporarily allow unknown sources for vetted apps. I explain why. These steps prevent data loss and allow installing launchers, icon packs, and control center apps that mimic iPhone features without breaking laws or device security. Now you build the experience by installing modular components. First, pick a high-rated iOS-style launcher and matching icon pack. This changes home screens and app drawer behavior. Next, add a control center app and assistive touch clone to get quick toggles and gestures. Then swap the lock screen and notification manager for privacy-focused alternatives. I tell you why. Modular changes avoid deep tampering, so you get the look and many behaviors of iPhone while keeping Android's security intact. Finish by tuning performance and continuity. Customize gestures, animation speeds, and widget layouts to match iPhone pacing. Make sure Mail, Contacts, and Calendar sync with iCloud-compatible services or use safe third-party sync tools for continuity. If you run into errors, uninstall the most recent add-on, clear app caches, and revoke risky permissions. These steps restore stability. One key troubleshooting tip: if the launcher becomes unresponsive, switch to the system launcher from Settings before uninstalling the iOS-style launcher.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.